The history brush is an interesting way to combine multiple states of an image together. For example, let's go ahead and process this image using the HDR toning option. There are several presets available, and I can choose them here. I like that, and I'm just going to play with the gamma and bring the darkening down just a little bit. There's my shadows, that's looking pretty good. And let's just pull the exposure down a little. All right, that looks good. I'll pump up the strength a bit. And I'm happy with that. And I'll click OK. Now, I could blend back this image with the original image pretty easily. If I grab the history panel, you'll see at the top that there's a snapshot, which is the original state of the image. I could add a new snapshot for the current state as well. Whichever one has the icon next to it is the one that'll be used for the history brush. This brush is right here, and be sure you choose the normal history brush tool and not the art history brush. With it selected, I'll typically lower the opacity a bit. And what I can now do is paint backwards in time. For example, I can go ahead and paint over some of this text here, and this allows me to mix the original text back in. Notice, if I paint this whole window, how it's being blended back to half of its original state. This makes it very easy to brush stroke in certain details. Where it started, the original, and the new combination state. So I can now just brush over any areas that I want to partially restore because I'm using a 50% opacity adjustment to blend the original state with the new state. The history brush has lots of uses, particularly when you're doing destructive adjustments and you want to paint backwards in time.